welcome back. I'm Paul John. Tonight I'm going to cut a really fun piece for you. I had my friend come last weekend. We worked together. We did a little 1-2 piece where we both did one side of essentially what was like an old gold Roman coin. It was a really awesome piece. Had lots of fun making it, but we didn't record it, and I thought, fuck, that was such a fun piece. So I'm going to try and recreate it for you tonight. I'm not going to talk my way through it. I'm just going to smash it out, and hopefully you enjoy seeing me recreate these pieces, and hopefully they turn out as good as the ones that we did on the weekend. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, so we're about done here with, I guess, phase one for what I saw with the coin. We've kind of got the doubloons and the crest on either side. So these are looking pretty cool. I've got a couple of steps that I want to finish off, but first off, I feel like they need a little bit of something else now. Might not go with the whole classic coin thing, but I'm going to mix it up a little bit. It might be a little bit of a risk, but hey, you know, sometimes you've got to risk it for the biscuit. So I'm going to bring in a little bit of red as a feature, and then I'm going to clean up the white around the edges just to bring in these edges nice and clean, and then I will get a nice frame around this and do a gloss clear coat just over the coin, and I think that'll really highlight things really nicely. So that's not bad. Quite like it. Just a little bit of something else in there, and anyway, let's kick it on. Actually. Okay, I think that'll about do it. Just sharpens off that white, takes out a little bit of the overspray. I mean, I wanted a soft edge, but you know, I think that just cleans it up a little bit. So we'll let that dry, and then we'll come back and we'll get the white overgloss, and then you really see that black and those colours pop, and they're dry and they're looking good. You know, that white's definitely sharpened up, and I think I'm about ready to put in the final touch, which is going to be to do a spot overgloss just over this coin, which beautiful, all done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Really appreciate your support. I'm out.